classic bun recipe, soft and fluffy bielishka. Ingredients: 500 grams of flour, 200 milliliters warm milk, 100 milliliters warm water, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 50 grams of melted butter or vegetable oil for brushing on top, 1 egg yolk, optional, sesame seeds or sugar for sprinkling. Instructions: 1. Activate the yeast. Mix the warm water and milk with the sugar. Add the dry yeast and stir. Let it sit in a warm place for 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. 2. Prepare the dough. Sift the flour into a large bowl. Add salt. Then add the egg, melted butter, and the foamy yeast mixture. Knead the dough until it's soft and not sticky. Add a bit of flour or water if needed. 3. Let the dough rise. Cover the dough and let it rest in a warm place for about 1 hour. It should double in size. 4. Shape the buns. Divide the dough into small portions and shape them as you like. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. 5. Second rise. Let the shaped buns rest for another 20 to 30 minutes. 6. Brush the tops. Brush each bun with egg yolk. Sprinkle with sesame seeds or sugar if desired. 7. Bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Until the tops are golden brown, your warm, soft buns are ready to enjoy. You can also fill them with chocolate, jam, or cottage cheese if you like.